Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Igora 8.77 is probably one of the most sought-after hair color products for achieving a vibrant, natural-looking red hue. This shade is known for its ability to deliver intense color payoff while also providing excellent coverage for gray hairs. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Igora 8.77, exploring its benefits, application process, and why it's a top choice for those seeking a stunning red transformation. Number 5. Schwarzkopf Igora Royal 8.77 Light Blonde Copper. This hair color offers complete coverage, effectively hiding all white hairs. It ensures a uniform and natural look, giving you confidence. Enjoy long-lasting color with this product. It is designed to keep your hair vibrant and beautiful for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups. Even on porous hair, this product delivers consistent color. It ensures that the color is evenly distributed, resulting in a smooth and polished finish. This shade provides a beautiful light blonde copper color. It's a great choice for those looking to add warmth and dimension to their hair. Each tube contains 60 grams of product. It's enough for a full application, ensuring you have everything you need for a professional quality result. What we like. This product offers complete coverage for those pesky white hairs. Its color retention ensures your vibrant shade lasts longer. If you're looking for a reliable solution to cover grays and maintain a consistent color, this is the one for you. What people say. It delivers a deep, long-lasting black shade while leaving hair smooth, shiny, and vibrant. Good quality, long-lasting dye that covers all types of gray hair and gives you a great color and shine to your liking. The color turned out very beautiful, shiny, and natural, just as shown in the images. It is easy to apply and provides great coverage. Number 4. Schwarzkopf Igora Royal 7.77 Medium Blonde Copper. This is the Igora Royal 7.77, a hair color cream by Schwarzkopf. It's designed to provide a vibrant and long-lasting color. The 7.77 shade offers a beautiful medium blonde with copper tones. It will give your hair a radiant and eye-catching look. This hair color cream is formulated for enhanced color intensity. It ensures excellent coverage and a stunning finish. This product is a professional quality hair color. It is a great choice for achieving salon-worthy results at home. Each tube contains 60 milliliters of the hair color cream. It provides enough product for a complete and even application. What we like. This product delivers vibrant color and long-lasting results. The easy-to-use formula makes application a breeze. If you want a quick and effective way to refresh your look, you should consider this. What people say. The color is beautiful. The color is very vibrant. The color is exactly what I wanted. Number 3. Schwarzkopf Igora Royal 9.7 Extra Light Copper Blonde. This hair color provides long-lasting results. It offers outstanding coverage, ensuring a vibrant and consistent color from root to tip. The product helps to fortify the hair structure. It also leaves your hair with an amazing shine, making it look healthy and radiant. It offers protection from daily pollution and UV rays. This helps to keep the hair healthy and prevent damage from environmental factors. This is the perfect choice for those seeking a beautiful, long-lasting color. It's designed to give you the best results while protecting your hair. The shade is extra light copper blonde. This beautiful color will enhance your natural beauty and give you a fresh new look. What we like. This product provides outstanding coverage and leaves your hair with amazing shine. It also offers protection from daily pollution and UV rays. If you are looking for a color that protects your hair from environmental damage, you should consider it. What people say. The color is beautiful. The color is very vibrant. The color is exactly what I wanted. Number 2. Igora 8.77 Latte, Dark Natural Blonde Hair Color Kit. Yet vibrant, dimensional color from Igora Pro Salons. This colors-developed formula ensures flawless, mistake-proof application. It provides full gray coverage and long-lasting results. This kit leaves hair 15x shinier. It also leads to 40% less breakage and 88% softer, smoother strands. The result is visibly healthier, more radiant hair. The formula is powered by squalane, orchid extract, and bamboo extract. Squalane replenishes moisture and boosts shine. Orchid extract enhances softness, and bamboo extract supports strength. It's perfect for all-over color, root touch-ups, and gray coverage. This product works on all hair types and textures. It is also suitable for color-treated or chemically processed hair. Process color for 45 minutes for maximum gray coverage. Choose a shade 1 to 2 levels lighter only on virgin hair. Remember, it won't lighten previously colored hair, just match or deepen your tone. What we like. This product leaves hair 15x shinier, with 40% less breakage and 88% softer strands after coloring. The nourishing formula replenishes moisture and boosts shine. If you are looking for a hair color that improves the health and appearance of your hair, you should consider it. What people say. The color is beautiful. The color is very vibrant. The color is long-lasting. Number 1. Igora Royal 8.77 Light Blonde Copper Hair Color. Today, we're highlighting Igora Royal 8.77. This hair color is designed to give you a beautiful, light blonde copper shade. It's a great choice for those looking to enhance their hair color. The 8.77 shade provides a vibrant and long-lasting color. It's formulated to deliver excellent coverage and shine. You'll love the way it transforms your hair. Igora Royal is known for its professional quality. This hair color is easy to apply and provides consistent results. It's a reliable choice for achieving your desired look. The product comes in a convenient 60 ml tube. This size is perfect for single applications or touch-ups. It's easy to store and use whenever you need it. This product is brought to you by Igora Royal. They are a trusted brand in the hair color industry. Trust them to deliver amazing results. What we like. This product delivers vibrant color and long-lasting results. The easy-to-use formula makes application a breeze. If you want a quick and effective way to refresh your look, you should consider this. What people say. The color is exactly as expected. It covered my gray hairs perfectly. The color is vibrant and long-lasting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.